if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. Reducing options like texture quality, shadow quality, and disabling ray tracing can significantly improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or AMD, to download the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements for games. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance mode. This can help your system allocate more resources to the game, reducing stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve performance. Step 5. Check for game updates. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve performance, which can help reduce frame stuttering. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your time in Night City.